Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
UK inflation is back in double digits after soaring food and drink prices sent September's annual rate to an equal 40-year high of 10.1%. It adds to pressure on the Bank of England to announce another big hike in interest rates when policymakers meet early next month. Staked ether withdrawal and lower gas fees are some of the developments expected with the next critical developments for the Ethereum network, the Shanghai upgrade. The testnet version, dubbed Shandong, is now live. The dollar held close to a 32-year peak versus the yen, while edging up from a 2-week trough against a basket of major peers, underpinned by the prospect of aggressive US Federal Reserve interest rate hikes. The euro dropped 0.9% against the dollar in the last session. The Williams indicator's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair exploded 2.1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar pair plummeted 1.4% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The dollar-yen pair gained 0.4% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. Australia's employment change will be released at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Germany's producer price index at 0600 hours GMT. Australia's unemployment rate at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The Dutch unemployment rate will be released at 0430 GMT. Japan's national consumer price index at 2330 GMT. The UK's GfK consumer confidence at 2300 hours and 1 minute GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.